1080p, 25 frames per second. This is in super mode. Wi-Fi is turned on. Can you hear it? This is in standard casing. I'm taking the camera out of the casing. Listen. Casing. Same sound. Next clip, turning the Wi-Fi off. Same resolution, same frame rate, everything the same. Doing the same thing again. Same settings, 1080p. Super wide, or what you call it. 25 frames per second. No Wi-Fi turned on. Same casing, no difference. Can you hear it? No sound, no strange sound. No statics. Taking it out of the case just to prove that it has nothing to do with the case. Like so. Casing, standard, open back door. No statics. This is it for the GoPro Support team. A hardware malfunction, I guess. And the camera is updated to the absolute latest driver. And I did that manually as suggested on the website. There's a lot of people out there having the same problem. So there has to be a problem within the camera. Peace.